Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most burning questions in the crypto world right now. Is it too late to invest in crypto in 2024? Spoiler alert, absolutely not. And I'll explain why in just a moment. Before we jump in, if you're new to crypto or still figuring out where to start, there are two platforms I highly recommend, OKX and Binance. With my exclusive links in the description, you'll get some amazing benefits like super low trading fees when you sign up. Trust me, these fees can make a huge difference over time. Now let's get started. Why Bitcoin reached $93,000? Bitcoin recently hit $93,000, which is insane, right? This price surge has a few key drivers. The halving effect. Every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through a halving event. This means the reward that miners receive for validating transactions is cut in half, which directly reduces the supply entering the market. Less supply, combined with growing demand, pushes the price up. Historically, after every halving, Bitcoin sees a major bull run, and 2024 is no different. Institutional adoption. Big players like BlackRock and Fidelity are finally entering the crypto market. These institutions are offering Bitcoin ETFs, making it easier for retail investors and traditional traders to get exposure to Bitcoin. When institutions buy in, they're not buying small amounts, they're buying billions of dollars worth, which pushes prices up fast. Economic instability. Global economic conditions also play a big role. With inflation rising and fiat currencies losing value, people are turning to Bitcoin as a store of value, like digital gold. Bitcoin has a capped supply of 21 million coins, which makes it a hedge against inflation. Mainstream media attention. Let's not forget the role of media. Every time Bitcoin breaks a record, it grabs headlines. This creates FOMO, fear of missing out, bringing in new investors who push the price up even more. How Bitcoin's surge impacts altcoins. Bitcoin's rise doesn't just stop at Bitcoin, it creates a ripple effect across the market. When Bitcoin does well, altcoins like Solana, XRP, Avalanche, and even smaller meme coins tend to follow. Here's why. Market confidence. When Bitcoin is doing well, it boosts confidence across the crypto market. Investors feel safer putting money into altcoins. BTC dominance drops. Bitcoin dominance, the percentage of the market it controls, often drops during bull runs as money flows into altcoins searching for higher returns. Altcoin cycles. Historically, when Bitcoin peaks, altcoins start their own rally, offering massive returns in a short period. Even meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu benefit during these times. While I wouldn't recommend them for long-term investments, they can be fun plays for short-term profits. 5. Crypto coins to watch in 2024. Now let's talk about specific coins you should keep an eye on. These aren't random picks. They have solid technology, growing ecosystems, and real-world use cases. 1. Solana, SOL. Solana is often called the Ethereum killer because of its speed and low fees. While Ethereum is great, it struggles with high gas fees and slower transaction times. Solana, on the other hand, can handle over 65,000 transactions per second at a fraction of the cost. What's exciting about Solana is its growth in NFTs and decentralized apps, DApps. Many developers are choosing Solana over Ethereum because it's cheaper and more efficient. Projects like Magic Eden, an NFT marketplace, and Serum, a decentralized exchange, are driving adoption. For 2024, I see Solana continuing to grow as more users and developers migrate to its platform. 2. Notcoin, NTC. Notcoin might not be as well known as Solana or XRP, but that's what makes it interesting. It focuses on privacy and security, two aspects that are becoming increasingly important in crypto. What sets Notcoin apart is its emphasis on real-world utility. It's being integrated into payment systems and supply chain networks, which could make it a hidden gem. If you're looking for a coin that's still under the radar but has huge potential, Notcoin is worth considering. 3. XRP, Ripple. XRP has had a turbulent history due to its legal battles with the SEC, but now that most of those issues are behind it, XRP is ready for a comeback. XRP is all about cross-border payments, and it's already being used by big financial institutions to make transactions faster and cheaper than traditional methods like SWIFT. What's interesting about XRP is its ability to settle transactions in just 3 to 5 seconds. Plus, the partnerships it's forming with banks and payment providers show that it's here for the long haul. With global adoption increasing, XRP could see massive gains this year. 4. Avalanche, AVAX. Avalanche is another Ethereum competitor, but it stands out because of its unique subnet technology. Subnets allow developers to create customized blockchains for specific use cases, which is something Ethereum doesn't offer. For example, gaming companies can use Avalanche to build their own blockchain tailored to their needs without compromising on speed or security. This flexibility has made Avalanche a favorite for developers in DeFi, gaming, and enterprise solutions. AVAX has been consistently growing its ecosystem, and I expect it to play a significant role in the next wave of blockchain adoption. 5. Aptos, APT. Aptos is one of the newer coins on the market, but it's already making waves. Built with security and scalability in mind, Aptos is focusing on solving some of the biggest problems in blockchain, like network congestion and high fees. What makes Aptos interesting is its developer-friendly approach. It's designed to make blockchain technology more accessible to developers, which will drive innovation and adoption. Backed by some of the biggest venture capital firms in crypto, Aptos has the potential to become a major player in the industry. Why now is the right time to invest? Here's why 2024 is such a great time to invest in crypto. Early bull market. Prices are rising, but we're still in the early stages of the bull market. This means there's room for significant growth before the next peak. Institutional confidence. With big players entering the space, crypto is no longer a risky investment. It's becoming mainstream. New use cases. Blockchain technology is being adopted in industries like gaming, finance, and supply chain, which is driving demand for tokens like Solana, Avalanche, and Aptos. Accessibility. Platforms like OKX and Binance make it easier than ever to get started, with features like low fees and easy-to-use interfaces. Tips for crypto investing? Do your research. Always understand the projects you're investing in. Look at their white papers, roadmaps, and use cases. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one coin. Spread your investments across Bitcoin, altcoins, and even stablecoins for balance. Use trusted platforms. Stick to reputable platforms like OKX and Binance for secure trading. Stay updated, the crypto market moves fast. Follow news and trends to stay ahead of the game. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. That's it for today's discussion. If you're still on the fence, I hope this helped clarify why it's not too late to invest in crypto in 2024. The market is filled with opportunities. You just need to take the first step. Good luck and happy investing.